All right, I never thought I'd be talking about this 3 days in a row, but the Northern Lights.
Yeah, I mean, some say that this is, coming from heaven because it doesn't happen very often. It's been 20 years since we've had a storm this strong.
Wow.
And it's on Mother's Day,
Yeah.
a heavenly Mother's Day for me, regular for most other people. And now we got the storm, the solar storm, right? Apologies to the Boston Bruins. Rough game tonight. Not the hat trick for the Northern Lights for them. We're trying here in the Northern Lights for us. Nice day tomorrow. Cooler at the coast, onshore flow. Soggy in the middle of the week with rain and clouds coming back to the picture. But we don't have that tonight. What we have is a level kind of 7, a strong, not quite severe and extreme solar storm or geomagnetic technically, but we've got that KP between around 6, 7 popping up right now, which is good enough to see some lights. So here's the magnetic field around Earth, okay? That's created by all of the iron that's bouncing around inside the core of Earth, okay? And that field is what blocks us from these charged protons that come from the sun and the electrons, okay? They follow Earth's magnetic field, but the weakest part, remember, Mother Nature is always trying to find the path of least resistance, and that is at the North Pole and the South Pole. That is where you're going to have the Northern Lights be visible, okay, because it's around that magnetic field. We'll talk about that now. Electrons colliding with those molecules in our atmosphere, okay? They get really excited when those collisions are happening. It happens at various kind of layers in the sky, heights, okay, and various molecules. So you've got red, blue, green, and pink, all at different heights here. 100 kilometers, 200 kilometers, 1 to 200, above 200. That's why you see the different colors. Mostly you're going to see that with your phone or a long exposure camera. Okay, stay away from the AI generated stuff. There's also the natural beauty too, which is not normally as spectacular, but for me, I like it quite a bit. Now, the cloud cover is the problem right now. You see that in the Western Mountains and the Oxford Hills. That's going to block a lot of the Northern Lights for you, but up in the mid-coast, there is a gap there where you could step outside tonight and take your chances and check things out. 50 in Livermore, 49 Augusta. Certainly got a little light coat going on at least here in Eastport at 49. And the cloud cover does fade away, but the Northern Lights energy goes away, so not ideal. Excuse me, into Monday. Sunshine early, lots of sun, nice day. Tomorrow's pick of the week. Get to the 60s popping up, except I think the coastline's a little cooler with the onshore flow. And the rain holds off until Monday evening in the Boundary Plateau that falls apart. So only in the mountains. And then Monday night, you see some showers coming into southern Maine, a few in northern Maine, and there will be some showers on Tuesday as well. The heavier stuff holds off until Wednesday. Okay. For the Mariners, there's that no small craft up again. It's been pretty quiet out on the water lately. The showers get heavier Wednesday, Thursday, some leftover ones. On and off lingering into the weekend too. I don't know if we get much of a break Friday, but a little bit. So tomorrow, pick of the week. Tomorrow is the driest. I can't call it a completely 100% dry day. There's a little moisture in the atmosphere, but still, tomorrow, not bad. Certainly better than Wednesday if you're looking to do things outside.
Okay, remember that. All right.
Awesome.
Thank you.